This week on Thomas on the Town, we will be going up to the bell tower. Since the Chimemasters is a secret club, no one else is allowed up there, but Thomas on the Town is. In 1889, 9 bells were installed. In 1937, the 10th bell was installed. In 2016, four more bells was added. Totaling 14 bells can be heard a mile away. How many Chimemasters are there?
There's about 18 of us, covering one, the school of music, but also outside school music as well.
How do the Chimemasters practice?
We have a practice set of bells downstairs. It's the same keyboard that we use to play the actual bells, but instead of hitting loud bells, it just hits a xylophone, so it's much quieter.
What made you want to be a Chimemaster?
I would say playing the bells is it's not an opportunity you get every day. Many colleges, actually most colleges, don't have a set of bells at them. And it's being able to share what you're playing with the whole university, because it's very loud and everyone can hear it. So you can kind of express yourself in the music you like, and kind of play for everyone.
What is your favorite song that plays?
Ooh, it's a tough one. There's a lot of good arrangements we have. I think I'm a big fan of A Whole New World from the Aladdin soundtrack. It was one of the first songs I heard over them that I recognized. I was like, wow, that's cool. And then now it's one of the ones I play often.
Thank you, Chimemasters, and we will see you next time on Thomas on the Town.